Hello, welcome to WBP Stars. My name is Tom Allen. I'm the head chef of Dinner by Heston Dubai. So today we're going to talk you through how we make our iconic Tipsy Cake. So we've got here, we've got our brioche balls, which have been moulded. They've been rolled in clarified butter and granulated sugar. They've proved for about 4 hours. And then what we're going to do is to place them in the deck oven, which is set, the heat on the bottom is set to 200 and the heat from above is set to 180 degrees Celsius. So we're just going to place these in the oven now. And we're going to come back to them in about 18 minutes time, and we're going to baste them with a cream that we make of cream, sauterne, brandy, sugar and vanilla. And then we'll baste them every 3 or 4 minutes until they've risen. The brioche has absorbed the cream custard mix, and then we're going to serve it with a slice of spit roast pineapple, which the pineapples are over in the kitchen roasting, and as I say, it's one of our iconic desserts. It's very delicious. Okay, so these are our spit roast pineapple. So the mechanism is powered by our giant pineapple with the cogs over there that you can see. It's called the pineapple complication. So the mechanism inside, the cogs rotate and it powers the shaft, which in turn powers the pineapple on our rotisserie. So these pineapples are very ripe pineapples. We've removed all of the eyes, and then we cook them slowly for about 4 hours, just brushing them with a caramel, which just gives them a nice sweetness, and it just gives them a lovely colour as well. So this gets served with our iconic Tipsy Cake. Back into the oven, you can see the brioche has risen. So what we're going to do now is going to baste the brioche with the custard, the vanilla brandy sauterne custard. So into the middle, you can see it bubbling, hear it bubbling there. And what that does is it pushes out the moisture and just reduces the custard. You can see that it's the water content is going to bubble away. You can see the colour changing already. So we're going to go back into the oven now for another 3 minutes, and then remove them after 3 minutes and baste them again. Okay, so another 3 minutes is gone. See that it's bubbling at the side. We're going to add one more ladle and place it back into the oven, and then we're ready to serve. See, it starts to float now. Final 3 minutes. Okay, so these are Tipsy Cakes. You can see the custard is nicely caramelized and reduced. Just going to give that a little wipe. Let's clear up the edge. Take one here. Place it onto there. And then we have our split roast pineapple. We just add onto the side there, and then just to finish it, just to add to the tipsiness, we're just going to add some raw brandy, just to give it a bit more of a alcoholic feel. And there you have it, our iconic Tipsy Cake served with split roast pineapple.